So we just came out of that deep freeze in Austin, and a quick test here. As expected, there's no chlorine, no combined chlorine. Alkalinity is surprising. Thought it would be higher. And yeah, this is like a 7-8. I thought that would be a little more pink too for pH. And then the total hardness, yeah, it's really hard water. 450 is what I normally get. So this looks like a pretty good reading for haven't touched the pool in a few weeks, and we just had that freezing cold water, iced over here, and I'm constantly having to battle climbing total alkalinity and pH. So I'm gonna do a better test to check. So I'm gonna do a quick alkalinity test with this Taylor test kit just to back up what I'm suspecting. I'm going to use the 10mm level because I'm not that fussy instead of the 25. It just uses less drops. So I need just one of these. Three of these number 8s. Get out of here, cat. And then gonna swirl, get our green to start with, and then my test strip said it was 80, so I'll go ahead and put 2 in real quick. 1, 2. So we got a little green shot, red shot there, then back to green. This would take it to 75. A lot of red, and then it went to a plain color, just kind of neutral. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's definitely not the bright green anymore. And then this next shot should take it to 100. So I think my test strip is correct. I think it's coming in at 80. There you go. And then so by this test we indicate 100, but knowing what my test strip did and what it did at 75 or 3 drops, I'm pretty sure it's right about 80, which is pretty good for this pool because it just seems to always climb so much. So I won't be adding any acid today, but chlorine level is zeroed out, and it is starting to get warmer. Today was 73 degrees. After last week it was down in the 20s, but here forward it looks like it's going to stay nice and normal for the spring and warming up. So I'm going to hit it with a gallon of chlorine today, and then let that sit overnight. We'll see what it looks like tomorrow. Have a great day.